That's fine. Hi, welcome to our blog. We are on Mount Bachelor for a ski and friend hangout weekend. Beautiful bluebird day here. Hanging out with Brent.
Yo.
Raina. We're just be popping around. We'll bring you along for the ride. Oh. Hot dog. All right, Raina, tell us what we're doing.
Okay, we're doing a hike over to another slope of the summit. I don't know what it's called.
So you're saying the top wasn't tall enough for you?
We need more height.
Getting ready to drop off the top. Oh yeah, this is. Hell yeah, Raina.
All right, what are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna see what happens.
Shred some gnar?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Definitely shredding that gnar. Shoot, I couldn't do it.
All right, as usual, finish the Sunday with a little bit of disc. Got the crew with us, got the doggies, playing the little course. Great, another little weekend. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on our vlog.